Hi, it's Greg of Vanguard Motor Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 1967 Malibu. This baby's a convertible and it's got a big block in it. It's red and it is gorgeous. If you've caught us on eBay and you're looking for the pricing on our cars, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. All the prices for our cars are there on our website, and it's also the reserve price on eBay, so it's the exact same price. Or you can just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'd love to talk to you about the cars. Here at Vanguard, we've got over 30,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 120 muscle cars for sale. We buy about 35 cars a month, so the inventory changes quite often. If you like us on Facebook, you'll get a notification the minute we buy a car. It's one of the first things we do when we buy a car. We post it on Facebook to let everybody know. We actually sell a lot of cars that way. Also, like us on or make us one of your favorites on your computer too, because you need to check us out often. We've always got something cool going on here. One of the things that people always ask is, where do you get all these cool muscle cars? Well, we get them from customers like you. People call us when they've got cars for sale, when they want to trade cars, and also when they find cars for sale. If you've got a friend who has a car for sale and it's a high quality muscle car, give us a call with that phone number, and if I buy that car, we'll pay you $200. We encourage you to come visit us here at Vanguard. If you're from out of town, fly into Detroit Metro Airport, call Tom at 248-974-9513. We can send somebody down to the airport, pick you up. It's only about a 20-minute ride. We're right here in Plymouth, Michigan, and you can come out and check out all these cars. After buying thousands of cars and talking to thousands of people about them buying cars, we've developed 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. You can go to our website and check it out and download it free. Check it out, it's some good information. All right, we're outside with the 67 now. Beautiful red paint, top goes down, big block under the hood. Great car. Hey, if you'd like to see about 100 pictures of the car, go to our website at VanguardMotorsales.com. We're going to put it up on the left. We're going to take pictures of the underneath side, the wheel wells, under the hood. So all the chrome on the front looks good, the stainless is in good shape, the grille looks great, headlights are in awesome shape. Look down the side of it, it's straight as an arrow. Take a look how that door fits. The door fits nice and flush. The door gaps look real nice on the car. All the stainless back here looks good. The door operates real nice. You can see all the door lips and everything are nice. Bottom of the door looks great. We're going to grab the keys here. Quarter panel's beautiful, wheel lip moldings, the stainless around the convertible top here looks great. All the emblems are in nice shape. The bezels here around the taillights, they're showing just a tiny bit of age, but they're very nice. Back bumper's in great shape. All right, let's get in here with a light. I always look at the wheel well. You can see whether or not, a bunch of junk was shoved up in there. It looks nice and clean there. Looks all original. It's definitely got new splatter paint on it, but I don't see any evidence of any patchwork there whatsoever. I'm gonna check this side out too. Again, the wheel well looks good. Down in the hole there, looks good. I'd say this is all original metal. Don't see any evidence of any patchwork, but bottom side of the trunk lid looks good. The rubber looks good. The splatter coat looks great. Shuts down real nice. When you look down the side of the car, take a look how that passenger door fits. It's just beautiful. The bodywork on this car is stellar. Definitely a professional bodywork job. Take a look at the door lips here. Everything's gorgeous. Operates nice. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. We spend a lot of time picking these babies out before we lay out our money. We check them out top to bottom. Then when we get them back here to our shop, I got 8 full-time mechanics here checking them out even further. We make sure you've got turn signals, headlights, brake lights. The guys go through all the brakes. They'll pull drums right off, make sure brake shoes are installed correctly. Make sure you've got good lining. If you have any questions about the car that we don't answer in the video or in the ad, just give us a call. 248-974-9513. Let's check out this interior. Beautiful door panel, armrest looks good, handles all look nice, vent windows great, steering wheel looks to be original, it's in great shape, dash looks great, the dash pad's in nice shape, the seats are beautiful, they look brand new, got the center console there, back seat, we got seat belts, bottom side of the top looks good, the frame is in great shape, it's a beautiful car. All right, we're going to put the top down. It's power. We always suggest that you start the car. The alternator's making more power. The top can go down a lot easier. You don't want to run down your battery. Right back up. Right here, you're all done. So give us a call. All right, we're underneath the 67 now. As you can see, it's got a brand new gas tank. The bumper was redone also, it's brand new. All the floors, the drop downs, everything looked great. Brand new exhaust system, the body mounts are new. We've got, I keep making this mistake, so we're gonna count them. We got a 10-bolt rear end here. It's got a 308 gear in it, and it does not have posi. You can see brand new brake lines here, good looking springs, brand new fuel line up there. The floorboards don't look like they've ever been messed with. The bushings and the lower arms here look like they're in good shape. Also in the upper arms. The frame's in great looking shape. We always get inside the frame here wherever we can and feel around. You know, get your fingers in there, check it all out. Back sides of the rockers are all solid. That's another telltale sign. Those always rotted right out. We got the drain holes here, my plugs, the wheel wells themselves are all original. I can see the lip on the quarter all the way around. It's a nice thin piece of steel here. Take a look at these floorboards, all original to the car. The braces. Looks like it's got a brand new drive shaft in it. The U-joints, of course, are new also. There's that brand new fuel line running front to back and brand new brake line running front to back. There's my parking brake cables are here. Got the fuel filter here. Got a turbo 400 trans. Again, this is another spot that these frames always got old, got weak, right in there. They all feel real nice inside. Don't feel any evidence of any patchwork or anything like that. Looks like a brand new starter on it. They've put brand new cooler lines on it. New brake line going from left to right. Does still have drum brakes up front. Looks like new shocks, new bushings, definitely new ball joints. Starting to come up with a little theme here, huh? New, new, new. The sway bar links are new. Looks like that idler arm is new also. And the guys go through the front suspension, they go through the steering system, they make sure everything's in good working order. Most of the cars end up over at the alignment shop. Looks like a new fuel pump, Bottom of the radiator looks brand new also. The core support here is nice and solid. These always rotted out also. Front bumper's new. Inner wheel wells here, nice and clean, nice and solid. One of the things that I always do when we're looking at these cars is I try to reach up inside here and feel around how smooth the back side of the fender is, and that feels pretty smooth there. Check out the other side here. Same thing on this side, nice and smooth. I don't feel any evidence of any patchwork or anything there. Floorboard looks good here. This is just one beautiful car underneath and outside. Let's look at these wheels and tires while we're right here. Got the Rallyes on it with the Corvette spinners. Uniroyal Tiger Paws. I don't think you can get these anymore. This has been one of the first radial tires you could have got on this car. 225/70 15s up front. Check the bottom of this rocker. You see all the pinch welds, all the bends and everything from when they pinched that together and welded it. This would have been one of the first things that starts rusting between these two pieces of metal. And whenever you're checking out one of these cars, that's what I look for. Wherever you see two pieces of metal welded together, if those two are together nice and tight, they're not all built up with rust, you know you've got a good solid car. Same good looking rims in the back and center caps and beauty rings. We've got two 25/70s back here also, 15s. All right, look under the hood of this beast. I tell you, you'll be proud when you pull into any car show and pop the hood on this baby. Got chrome valve covers, polished up intake. That's an aluminum intake that's been polished. It looked like it's chrome. It's got a Holley Performer carburetor on it. It's the bright one also. It's got like that Enduro shine on it. Of course, that's a Edelbrock term, so I'm sure Holley appreciates me using that, but it's polished up aluminum basically. It's got a brand new alternator on it. All the hoses look like they're new. Of course, the radiator definitely looks new up top here. Got a Delco battery in it. Inner fenders are painted nice. It's got an HEI Distributor out back there. Brand new plug wires. You can see that it's got exhaust manifolds on it. Looks like they've used the high heat cast coat paint on it. What else do I see? Looks like a flex fan there. The car does have power steering and power brakes on it. It's beautiful under the hood. Be proud to pop the hood on this baby. It's got a convertible. It's a 67 Chevelle, well, Malibu. You see the tag here. That's how you tell. Right there, it's 136 code. So that means it's a Malibu, but it's got everything you want. It's red, it's got a big block. The top goes down, black interior. This car will be off the shelf here, baby. We'll be selling it quick. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. Let's fire this beast up. All right, let's take this Chevelle for a ride. This thing is a blast to drive. Convertible, can't wait for get some good weather. We'll get the top down on this baby and cruise it. Got a big block under the hood. She's red. It's a blast to drive, I tell you. I really love the sound of the exhaust the big block makes. I think this thing's got Flowmasters on it. Definitely dual exhaust. Console's in great shape here. We're gonna flip this thing around. We'll check the turning radius here at the end of the street. Look at that, going right around on a circle, just perfect. Got plenty of acceleration. Listen to that exhaust. Really sets you back in the seat. The brakes are working good. Power steering's working real good. And there is no better place to buy a muscle car from where it all started, right here in the Motor City. We're in a suburb of the Motor City here. All of our neighbors here, most of these guys are automotive companies. So come check us out. We're right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Here's our hot rod shop right here. Check these cars out. Got a good looking Galaxy convertible sitting there and a Camaro. So give us a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway.